This. Hope you all are seeing this. Hope you all are seeing this. Hope you all are seeing this. So, if you are seeing this, hope you can hear me well. Hope all is good. So, I'm trying out the style of content for my YouTube channel, né? Trying to come through with some knowledge, some value here to my viewers. And so today is Thursday. I don't know if this is gonna air Thursday or what, but it's Thursday, 8:30. 8:30. Tomorrow is NFP, non-funded one, non-from pay one. Yeah. So I have this on my charts, guys. And then let me just start. So this is NAS, as y'all can see. And so today I'm expecting it to be a slow day because tomorrow's NFP. I think it's gonna build like some sort of setups for tomorrow because tomorrow we're expecting a lot of volatility. So today, I'm not expecting any kind of real movement, but I'm hoping this goes in my direction. I'm hoping it goes in my direction. Yeah, I must start paying for those trading stuff. You reach a point in your trading whereby now you have to pay for these trading things because they're gonna advance your trading. Or when you can back test and all of those things. Or not having to back test in real time, you can just back test and put in like whole 5 hours just back testing a strategy so that you can become better at your craft. You becoming better means more money for you guys. So let me just remove all drawings and let's start fresh. And then we can see that the market is in an overall uptrend. This is the daily, as you all can see. You can see that it's in an overall uptrend, okay? Even though I didn't place a buy, but we can see that it's an overall uptrend. So, but we had a breakout and a huge one here, and we didn't have a retest. Are we going to have a retest? I don't know. Did we have a retest? Maybe. But it broke out here with this one huge candlestick, meaning that it really broke out this. It really broke out this thing. And then maybe tomorrow we might even have sells to the downside. And so maybe it's possible. And sells are nice. Sells during NFP are nice. Because you know what sells. When it sells, goes on hard. Goes tanks. So we can see that it's in an overall uptrend. It broke out here with this one huge candlestick. Here we had some sort of like a consolidation here in this area right here. Oh, so that's definitely an area right there. That is definitely an area that we have to look at. So we're just gonna mark this right here. Let's see. Okay, let's mark it like this. Then we go to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour. Also high coming up. Yeah, as you can see, we broke out. This is the trend line on the daily, guys. Trend line on the daily. This is the area that we were talking about right here. And we can clearly see that we broke. We broke for real. And then, okay. We had this thing here. This nutty terms, the terms of what we can call this. Maybe you can call this support turned resistant. A support turned resistant because it broke and it came back and it retested that thing. And as you can see, this is 4 hours. It spent 4, 8, 12. It spent 12 hours in this area right here. So let's just focus here. It spent 4, 8, 12. This is the 16th candle, but obviously as of there. So, and as you can see by these two candlesticks, it's like these two candlesticks. Actually, let me try and make this thing. These two candlesticks. Hope you can see that. These two candlesticks right here. It's like a tweezer. It's like a tweezer. It's like a reversal. It's like a reversal. It's like a reversal. So it tanked, it came, it printed this reversal. And it's a reversal, obviously, to the downside. Well, it's a reversal to the downside. I don't know how, because you're coming from the top. But yeah, it's like a break. It's like a pullback, a mini pullback to retest this support, now turn resistant. And I think we're going to continue going to the downside. That's why I took my sales to the downside. And my TP, it was here. It's here because that's the next like big resistant area that we have. But maybe to lock in or to take partials, you can take partials in and around this area right here. In and around that area, because we need to see where the market previously stopped or consolidated or made a reversal, because that's potentially the next area where it's going to do the very same thing. Either it's going to pause for a very long time before it continues, or it's going to test and go back to wherever it's coming from, and it's going to respect that area, or it's just going to violate that area. Violate that, like just going through. Yeah. So it might take partials here. We'll see what happens when the market gets here. Hopefully it gets there. Hopefully I'm right. This is my first video. Can't be wrong, my first video. And soon I want to start doing like lives, like a live maybe on an NFP or live NFP for my YouTube and all of that. So let's continue with the analysis. So we're going down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is not doing me any good. It's not doing me any good. It's not doing me any good. Okay, let's see what's happening here. As you can see, it's giving us some sort of like pattern continuation pattern. These things of how we name them, I forgot them. I forget them. Not I forgot. I forget them. What? Symmetrical triangle and all of those things. I forgot them. So this, as you can see, obviously is like a push down, consolidation, and then next push down to the downside because of this triangle alone. So normally what would you do is that you would maybe take from here, take this push, and then we would measure that push to our TP. Then it should be in and around that area. So it's here. So yeah, roughly about there. It's in around these areas of ours. But if you measure like from the top, it should give us in around this TP of ours. So with that, I'm gonna place my, what do we call these things, man? No, what do we call these things? Okay, it says long short position. Okay, I'm gonna put in my positions. So that's like a sell, obviously. Yeah, those are nice stop loss areas right here. Above the consolidation. And obviously we take our 1:2. We obviously take our 1:3 trade. Obviously, partials we take them at 1:2. If you want to lock, you lock your trades on 1:1. As simple as that. 1:1, you lock your position. Maybe you minimize your losses. 1:2, you take partials, and then hopefully it hits your TP at 1:3. And look at that. It is a 1:4 trade. So with that, hopefully it goes in our direction. Dora, let me read this. But with that, all is good, all is well. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Should I? Um, I'll see. I'll see if like when I post this video, I'll try posting it maybe today or tomorrow, so that you can see whether this trade went to our TP or whether it went to our stop loss, or I should do another video recording what happened. But I'll see. I'll definitely let you know what happened with the trade, and we'll see from that.